reminisce about how great all this summer was. Know we went through a lot of things, but we could do better, better together. You were always so alone, and that we had grown, but the same, I still need you.